Why was the US National Nuclear Safety Administration's nuclear emergency support aircraft 𝗡𝗂𝗶𝗁𝗍𝗶 spotted in Pakistan? All these events, Pakistan asking the US to help implement a ceasefire, the US 𝗡𝗂𝗶𝗁𝗍𝗶 conducting a radiation survey in Pakistan, Egypt sending its plane with boron, and the US Department of Energy's plane flying to an unknown location, all these are not just mere coincidences. So Kirana Hills is one of the biggest sites in Pakistan with a large number of storage bunkers, hillside tunnels and missile storage. This base is around 9 to 10 kilometers from 𝗥𝗱𝗶𝗁𝗍𝗶 Air Base, which houses nuclear-capable F-16s. So Kirana Hills, Pakistan military storage site for nuclear weapons, was hit by Indian Air Force guided bombs. So the tunnel entrance was hit in such a precise manner that the impact of the blast caused an earthquake of 4.0 magnitude. Indian Air Force hit an empty hillside, but hit with such a precision that this bunker-busting strike penetrated a few meters of the rocky ground and exploded inside, which caused most of the structure in the middle to collapse. And this resulted in a nuclear warheads being cooked inside the hill, potentially causing nuclear radiation. And destruction of the 𝗥𝗱𝗶𝗁𝗍𝗶 Air Base runway by Indian Air Force attack prevented Pakistani forces from running interference. Another massive strike by the Indian Air Force was at 𝗥𝗱𝗏 Air Base in Pakistan. The 𝗥𝗱𝗏 strike on the Pakistan nuclear installation was so powerful that even NASA picked up its thermal signature. This detected fire lasted for more than 24 hours. This massive strike of Indian Air Force threatened Pakistani nuclear command control and damaged the facility. And according to the sources, the attack caused a partial collapse of a storage cavern, releasing low-level nuclear radiation. The Indian Air Force also made strikes on 𝗥𝗱𝗶𝗏𝗏 Air Base, 𝗂𝗏𝗏 and 𝗥𝗚𝗏 Hills, causing massive damages. And panicked by this, Pakistan approached the US for intervention and helped to declare a ceasefire. And the very next day after the ceasefire, US aircraft, which is typically deployed for nuclear emergency response mission, was observed flying over Pakistani airspace. And this aircraft is known for its role in monitoring and responding to radiological or nuclear events. After this, a plane from Egypt landed in Rawalpindi, possibly carrying an emergency shipment of boron from Egypt's Nile Delta, which is known for its abundant boron deposits. And Egypt is known to possess aircraft and resources capable of responding to nuclear emergencies. Now, the boron, which is valued for its neutron-absorbing properties, was purportedly deployed to shield affected areas and contain the radiation. And yesterday, a retired US Department of Energy aircraft, which manages the US government's nuclear weapons, was heading towards an unknown location. This could be an indication that Pakistani nuclear warheads have become useless, and these planes are carrying nuclear warheads to dump in a safe place.